Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create Phantom Wallet in mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Play Store on your phone and search for Phantom Wallet. After that, make sure to download its latest version. Then open the Phantom Wallet app on your mobile device and you will be redirected to this login page. Here, tap on the Create New Wallet button and you will be asked if you want to use biometrics or face. Simply tap on the next button and a recovery phrase will be created. Now, you will need to back up this phrase or write it down somewhere safe and tap on the OK button. After that, confirm the backup by selecting Yes and then agree to the terms by checking this statement. Now tap on Get Started and your wallet will be created successfully. So that's basically how you can create Phantom Wallet in mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.